If a child is running for their life, how can a child wants to peace to their with their dad? I went to the place already. Spice. But go there already. Spice, but go there already. And I'm gonna tell me foolishness. But go there already. We just a come from there. But go there already. Your kids, when they can call me, I don't hear nothing. Jake call them, hello, and this, and that. Where are the youth? Them I can't tell her. If the kids are at a government facility, why we can't know where they are? Now we get a liar. Because I have to see me picking them tomorrow. No care what I'm going to do. I have to see them tomorrow. Now we get a liar.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see, down on the screen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting at the comment section if AKEEM saw it, because if it wasn't for him leading Rose on for Lions and Gifts, she went and opened up her big mouth and said what she said about Jake and the youths them yesterday. As you know, a lot of mature people is watching these programs. Yes, people them who know ramp around with youths, and you can't be saying certain stuff. So like, oh, them hours are called CPS in America, pan Ivany. Them have a thing called CDA in Jamaica, and you know, said Jamaicans don't play. You see, man, say you will see what Rose said that triggered all of this response at the end of the video, but we're going to get to what she's saying now about this whole ordeal. You know what I mean? Because a lot of people say she don't love our youth, them and all of these things, but as you can see, she loved them. So that's like, and share the video from open on our social media platforms, and let's hear what I go on for that to go on, you see me?
Me actually say, yeah, man. We not the lion out there. Yeah. We not the lion out there again. Yeah. It's okay. We not have the lion out there again. But it's okay. When we get one I look for, when we finally get it, we get it. Clap on yourself. Never blast. No, no come here, come make 2 nights and that's it. Me? Let's look on them. And as that, I come here, I look my 2 look a blood clot Dave. I be myself, or they hate me for that. I class them, I talk on them father, fuck them. Me and them are mate, I do all of that, I do all of that, I do all of that, I do all of that. And sometimes when I sit down and I consider I want to do me and them, it just pay my heart because I know someone I'm in trouble, but it's okay. Yeah. I can't sleep good tonight. I can't sleep good tonight. Tonight, I can't sleep good. A 450, 352 now. I pick them with a come from, hi mommy, what's up? I love you. I love you too, boo. You get it, man. Pick them with a come from, I say, hey mommy, what's up? Hey mommy, what's up? I love you too. Poor Barbara when we don't even talk to people. Why blame them? Blame them? It's a cold world. And you're all alone. That's why I'm not trust people. Whole world, man. Just dung palm me, day in, day out, dung palm me. Come here on the dung palm me, come and text up on me. It's an army on the rise against me, to put me up on the post me up on the class, me to do this, to do that. The army I will do. They sit up on me. I do the things, man. Me don't even want to ask how I feel. Come on, me youth them. Me don't even care for the class, me bro. Just don't take away one thing where wanna take my heart, bro. Wanna take my heart. Trust me. Trust me, bro. You know so serious on the net. Try know. You know so serious, yes, sir. You know post them. You know post them. No, if me not talk so the conversation around him, some of them is trying to excuse me. A big people time. And all me can get for the people them is me go call you. So when me go see me you, them me can't tell me that. With them me can't know that. Come like I just come take them, kidnap them, hold them at ransom and I hide them from me no know nothing. Me just clueless. Oh my day I go. Oh my night I go. Oh me go sleep. Oh me go eat. Oh me go comfortable. This is just too much. This is just too. Let me get to my man. Nah, stop calling people them. Yeah. Yeah, stop calling them. I'm for do. Where kids them? When they can call me, I don't hear nothing. Just call them, hello, and this, and that. Where the youth them I can't tell her. If the kids them are at a government facility, why we can't know where they are? Hmm? Hmm? If a child is running for their life, how can a child wants to speak to their with their dad? I went to the place already. Spice. Me go there already. Spice, me go there already. And I'm gonna tell me foolishness. Me go there already. Me just a come from there. Me go there already. 2 times! 2 times! Me got 2 players. Me go there already. And I've been here, what am I tell me, say? Me don't know. Me go there already. Me go there already, Spice. You don't understand? Me go there already. Say me abuse a child, them that want them parents. What is wrong with you on the net? What is wrong with some of Uno? If me abuse them, I want them parents, she call her father. Daddy me want go home. Where you there? You don't know where you there. The lady on the phone, I will talk about one big up. Where you put them? Where them? We can't tell you that. We can't disclose that to you. Why? Why? Why you can't disclose? If you see the child in danger, alright, where them there? Where they are? I need to see them. Why? No class me there in there out. Me put them in the alley here because me not do certain things side of them. No class me there, me host this, me that, me brave, me take, me blame, me have my plans. Them not hungry, them not naked, them not happy. Them have food galore. I give my son play when he come from school. And when him the police play, I give him play. And a $10, $20 for Nintendo Switch 2. 100,000. Trying to want 3 something phone, laptop, and iPad. I said, I'm gonna bring our phone to school. So that's how I bring the phone to school. When I tell me I'm gonna take the phone for trying to no, me not take it. When I tell me I'm gonna take the phone for trying to no, me not take it for an trap. Me not take it. Cause sometimes I'm saying to myself, when you're growing, if your brain not gonna learn nothing more, your brain not gonna learn nothing more. Because I try my best, extra less everything. So when you take them from school and so not tell them go on and go for some reason, pan the net and try them to question them, we're not gonna get out tight. The kids are gonna basically, I want to go home to my parents. How can you take a child from school when the parents are inquire about it, them cannot know? That is crazy. Chat me don't even know what for bar, I don't even know what to do. Got no, I'm confused and weak as fuck. I have never been so weak in my life. Now we get a liar. Cause I have to see me picking them tomorrow. No care what I go do. I have to see them tomorrow. Now we get a liar. You understand? You don't condemn me like a piece of shit. Cause me I try. Me I try make ends meet. Me I try do what me can do. Me I try. My best with them. I don't know what to say. Upon this blood clot, but me I tell you say, all I know so no wicked no blood clot. Yeah. I do nothing. Sometimes some burden you just feel like you just feel like say you're fed up. You understand? Sometimes you have some burden you just feel like say blood clot. Sometimes I feel like I fuck it. Sometimes I just feel like I fuck it. The world know me not mean shit. They know. Them know. Me not mad. Me not mental. Me not mad at my mental. I don't know me not mean nothing. No. I don't know me not mean shit. I don't know me not mad. I don't know me not mental. You know so why sometimes we as women feel over pressure. We wanna wreck me. Just wreck my mentality. We just feel pressured. Because we keep on coming on the nah stop because of clout. We don't ride me because of clout. That's what I ride me for. I'm not doing it. I'm not know no. We don't ride me for that because of clout. You know look. Clout. Oh, some people like that. Some people might like Rosealee more. I bad mind that. Some people might like Rosealee more than me. The church should not live now. Should have done away. And that's the truth. This is for clout. We don't drag me them for clout. We don't pick me them for clout. I can't believe we don't do me this. You know trouble, you know? That's like I can't hold it. I can't hold the faith.
Rose,
The blood
June,
yeah.
June, you alright? Listen, let me tell you something. I always, you know, from them time they till now, remember say, whatever you, I'ma see you, I'ma watch you, I'ma see you go on, like, June, you need for calm down. Me keep on always tell you what you do on the internet will always come back on you. My friend, me see you, everybody a friend. You and the whole world a friend. Like, June, this is never was you. You under the end of the day, you know, say nobody not like you realize say, at the end of the day, I'm me, you usually para, me, you usually run on See them never come up on your platform yet. We say me I try come look at clout and me I look at fame with at the end of the day and me for come look clout and fame and fake and me and you and me. Right, yes, and at the end of the day, I'm sitting, I'm watching and see everybody I disrespect you. I'm see what you are doing. I'm sitting like, girl, you need to chill, my friend. You need to stop up them one bag of people in your circle and normal. This is never you. You never like people. My friend, when I see you get so friendly and you everybody a friend. This was never you. Oh, you get so friendly, you everybody a friend, June. At the end of the day, you know, say me love Barbara, you know me love Shanta already. At the end of the day, you know that already. And at the end of the day, June, you have to know what you're talking on the social media. Yeah, you give them fun, you have to give them fame, but some certain things you have to hold back. You have to hold back because at the end of the day, a lot of people doesn't like you. A lot of they all in America, right? So I'm going to say every woman got people to bash you and talk a bad boy you. Them talk bad boy, them don't let them right now, them wouldn't mind say right now you drop down and dead. At the end of the God forbid, just saying. But at the end of the day, then you have to know, Junior, you have to wise up. You have to let go certain people out of your crowd, girl. You have to let go, you have to put on the internet. Every day you come on the internet, it's all about one thing. The fame I got always the day, I got always have your name. But sometimes you have to take a break because at the end of the day, the internet build you and it break you and it destroy you. I sit down and I'm watching enough time and I see you, sometimes you're happy and more time you just show happiness because you don't happy. You don't really happy. You don't really happy. Inside of you don't really happy. Everything what you do it because you want to do it because the fame. When I have to stop make the fame get to uno, bro. When I have to stop make the fame get to uno, bro. Look what you make happen to you. Look where you sit down now. Me know right now inside of your tear you up, June. Inside of your tear you up because at the end of the day, me know you not play with Shantan Barbar. Me never come to your platform yet.
I don't know what you're talking about, fame. I don't know what you're talking about. When I talk about fame, I don't know what you're talking about. And 95% of them we are class, me don't even know them. You have to have a friend, who me a friend on the net. See me walk and look friend from people.
June, when me say walk and look friend from everybody's friend.
Vice note me or something. Can't take them the story, you know. Me know why you about the net. Sorry, me know why you about the net. That can't help no situation. You live at your family house or your parent. And you live somewhere where them no want you. Them live. When I live out for myself, I don't want it for my youth them. When the structure belongs to your mother. When the structure of something belongs to your mother. But the tone you have put yourself over it. The structure of something belongs to your mother. My mother want this. You can't tell an individual mama want this. You have your partner, go home, you have your yard. Hey girl, me have my yard. Boy, me have my yard. That's why I'm there, them the blood clot privilege me want to give Shannon Bar. You there with a boy, I got me have my yard. No, go home. I can leave. Okay, fine. God, I'm my yard. No question me. Me no want to get on the boy question me upon this blood clot. Me have my youth there, but that's why I'm there. Me no want Jakes, or Jakes no want me. Jakes is an ego man, him think about fuck. You him a war fuck. You him cuss fuck, appear fuck. You like me some pussy. You like me some pussy. You like me some pussy. The amount of fuck with me and Jakes fuck and blood clad war and fuck a war. What open doors to me and AKEEM in a chat? Say you don't want to say that. Are your ways when me can see a next man out the road and even want them having fucking intention in my mind for them. Cause how me think them and make me feel. You cause it. If you that be a blood clot man of love to me, AKEEM could over here try and me now look. Why you not tell yourself that? Me a throw you on the buff. If you would be a man will love me unconditionally since me from me at 20, I know me at 32. AKEEM not even could have blood cut them say I to me. Come and say hello, so I live my man, you know. I mean, then me not want that. Him would even dare try to say no words to me. If you buy me a sweetie, you gotta live with that man, and then a problem. But you walk my 40 blood clot door. Anybody can come say hi. I'm feeling like some type of way I'm gone. Mind gone, body gone, everything gone. You open the door them. And you open them, sir. You know like here that you open the door them. I always sit down and tell a day in there out say, if you tell me say me I fuck somebody, you is the one that opened that fucking door. That you was still there. Me can still there in a body. I left you a long time in my mind. Jakes are the worst blood clot, man. Me there with my life. You only think about yourself and your feelings. How you feel. How about I feel how I feel and how I tell you that all the time. Bar, I don't want good time. Bar is not a good time. Circle my back. How about how I feel? I never hear someone on a big pussy guy say, but Ray auntie. How about how I feel? Any blood clot you see you do with a man for 10-15 years and you can't see a boy out the road and him say something and it melts your heart is a sign. That means a man in your own a blood clot house where you live, it can't melt your heart. Once was. Jake's a boy with me the love. Till me fool, blind and can't see. No me can never stand him. Everything when him do irritates me. Every sound he make it irritate my blood clot. Yeah. Can you do the things that break the trust and the bond? You know, see what you do. We argue about the least pin. We ever argue. Beating, pantapa, beating, sleepless night, pantapa, sleepless night. Nag, pantapa, nag, pantapa, nag, pantapa, nag, pantapa, nag. I don't know, someone have asked me, I'm a bumble clap. I feel like I'm run up in a blood clot, but I pies myself so I feel. But you may have split personality that pill will come out of me. But if me was a one whole human being dead already. Come on, like the pressure is unbearable, no pressure in a blood clot. Someone blood clot, man. Me have to mash up all things in here. Mash up them blood clot. I say if I just such around, I lick out the blood clot glass. Cause sometimes the pressure does feel like more mad, crazy, and just mash up. Like the place of fire. Stab up jokes and stop the pit of them and just everything just done and over with. And them sometimes I the things that I see are coming at me, I say, no, hold it, girl. How about how I feel? Don't someone have asked me, how you feeling today?
Yeah, so we'll see which lawyer she chose. You know, she could get Peter Champagne, one of them big Bert Samuels there, you know. You see, I say I spend some big money because of foolishness. You see, people don't play and take some drugs, you know, people serious out here. But we're giving them update when it's here. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to notify when I drop it though. Bless.